We'll guide you through what is a Discord webhook and how to create a webhook on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Webhook are a powerful feature that many server owners use to automate messages and make their server more organized and professional. Let's talk about what a Discord webhook actually is. A Discord webhook is a special tool that allows messages to be sent automatically into our Discord channel from outside sources instead of a person manually typing the messages or full Discord bot running command. A webhook uses a unique URL that allows other application, service or tool to send messages directly into your server. Find the channel where you want webhook messages to appear. Click on Edit Channel. From here, just go to the option labeled as Integrations and click on Webhook. From here, just click on New Webhook and a new webhook will be created. Just click on it. From here, you can rename it and just choose your channel where you want the webhook message to appear, which in our case is going to be tutorial. And just click on Copy Webhook URL. And after copying, just click on Save Changes. And from here, you will need to open your browser. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for discohook.app. Just click on Clear All first to clear all of the data. And once you are in the fresh dashboard, just click on Add Webhook and just paste the copied URL by pressing Ctrl V on your computer and click on Add Webhook. Now you can just start writing. Just click on the side arrow on Files and you will be able to add files. Just choose any file to your liking, which in our case is going to be the logo of our channel. And you can even add message heading. You can just type hash and start typing your message by giving a space like GuideRealm and it will appear as a heading. And you can even add asterisk for different formatting options. If you give double asterisk, it will become much smaller. Just click on the add drop down and click on add embed and just click on the embed and choose body. From here, you can just choose any color to your liking. Just click on the slider and choose your color like so and click off to select your color. From here, you can just add a description for your message, which I have already prepared. Just click on send and make sure everything is selected and click on send all. Just go to your Discord once again and go to the channel where you wanted the webhook to appear. And you can see the webhook will be successfully sent directly in your Discord channel.